because I don't know if I can find them.
No, well, actually, what I want to find out is how to make them and how to earn this money.
Hello and welcome to this Friday's show. This one is the most important because we talk about investments. Kristina, do you invest?
Actually, I do.
Where?
I have. Okay, so I buy my stocks on Revolut. That's one part. Other part is I had some extra money, so instead of buying clothes, I decided to buy. I have like 4 funds, like investment funds.
Okay, you killed my intro. You needed to say no, I don't invest. I don't know anything. I invest only in dresses and I don't know, masks. But you know everything about it.
But it's just because at one point in my life I realized that I spend too much of my money on things that are just draining my money and are bad for my personal finances. So I am closing in on 30s, so I'm like, okay, I need to be smart about my money.
What do you know about NFT?
That is one thing that I do not get it and I do not invest in. I have no idea. So I have watched hours and hours of videos, reading articles. I kind of can have grasp on the concept, but I just do not get it. I do not get it. How come these images, digital images, can be so expensive? Like, why would people spend so much money? That's one thing that I do not understand.
I don't know, and that's why we picked this topic. Because we don't know anything about it. And if you wonder what is going to happen, we are just going to rate these beautiful, expensive NFTs and tell you, are they beautiful? And the second thing, if you wonder what are we doing, we are skincaring. So, what are we doing? We have FOREO sheet masks. I have my new kahani. Oh my god. And Kristina has green tea.
And I have this one, my favorite one.
So when this show finishes, I will have glowy, soothed, and hydrated skin.
We need to keep them on for like 20 minutes.
Yeah. So we have 20 minutes to talk to you, and after that, we will be radiant and beautiful. Okay, so
and we will still have no knowledge about NFTs.
So if anybody knows something, please let us know in the comments.
Let us know, should we invest in NFTs? That's what I want to know.
And which, because I don't know if I can find them.
No, well, actually what I want to find out is how to make them and how to earn this money. Because my mask as I'm talking, you're supposed to be still. My mask keeps falling off of my mouth. Okay, let's bring it to me.
Okay,
Which
so
is the first one? So is this the most expensive one from the list or the least expensive
The
one?
least expensive. We go from the least to the most.
Okay.
And the least expensive is like nothing, $3.8 million.
What?
Yeah. So do you have money to invest? Okay, so what do you think about this beautiful picture? So this is X-copy, some a-hole picture. And what do you think?
I want to congratulate on the author. He beat it life. He figured out something in the Matrix. He realized some things that I will, I guess, never find out who, what, where, and how. And I also want to congratulate the person who spent almost $4 million on this thing. I do not get it. I want to get it, but I do not get it.
But those people who get it will be really, really rich in
but I love the title. I feel like this was created out of anger, and it really suits.
Well, I think it's really artsy. Like it's like something is moving. Here is like outline. It's some, I don't know. I like it.
I feel nervous energy coming from it, to be honest.
I don't feel nervous. I like it, but I won't buy it.
I wouldn't buy it.
Wouldn't.
How many would you trade it for UFO? How many UFO would you give for this one?
If I was good in math, I would know probably what is NFT. So I don't know how many UFOs that is, but I think that would be better investment. I mean, FOREO is investment. So you get UFO, you use it for years and years. You have beautiful skin. You have time for yourself. You have spa at home moment. So this is investment. Oh my god!
This is investment. This is investment that I understand.
Yes.
Give me another one. I want to see what else.
Another one. Mad Dog Jones replicator, $4.1 million.
I actually love this one. So I like my favorite. This is kind of funny, but one of my favorite genres of music is lo-fi hip hop. And every time that I listen to it, this playlist, it's always some type of imagery like this. It's kind of something that's regular life, but soothing and chill. And when I look at it, I would not pay this much for this, that's for sure.
I mean,
but
we thought that we wouldn't. But if I had so much money, maybe I would. I know. If I had so much money, I would ask somebody to make NFT of me, like my picture, and then I would buy it and I would bid it. So it's the most expensive NFT, and I would say, you see, my NFT with my picture was the most expensive one. Okay, so
what do you think about this one?
So this one looks like, this one has Marvel vibes for me, and I like it. This one is kind of familiar. Edward Snowden stayed free for $5.4 million.
What are these facts?
Is Edward Snowden some hacker or something?
Yes,
I know him somewhere.
He is ex-intelligence officer who like highlighted to the whole world that what NSA does. And I mean,
okay, so
let's not get into it.
No, we don't want to get into it because we don't want somebody to track us and hunt us.
But I don't get this one. I mean,
Free Ross.
Who is Ross?
Who is free?
Ross is free. Okay.
Okay, I like this one.
It looks like somebody actually drew it and then took a picture of it.
I have beard.
Me as well. Don't mind our FOREO beard. No. But I would attempt to draw it myself.
Yes.
I really love it. It's interesting, it's challenging.
Oh my god, let's copy again.
Oh!
This is a popular guy. Oh my god, this one is hectic.
I feel like people in the comments might tear us down because maybe this is something that everybody knows the context except for us.
You think this has context?
I don't know. But
yeah.
I have this feeling.
Okay, so this one is called A Coin for the Ferryman. I like the title, I like the name, but I think if I looked at it too much, I would become, I don't know.
Yes?
Some feeling is inside me like it's not good.
It looks like, you know, when old TVs used to break down and you would lose channel.
Okay, so maybe this author is millennial.
Maybe this is something that we just don't get it.
Oh, we just have to mention, if you don't want to sit with mask for 20 minutes, you can use it with UFO.
Oh yes, just like this.
Yes.
And have added benefits of LED lights.
We should have done that.
Yes. It would stick better.
Okay, next one. Beeple, Oceanfront.
I really love this one. To me, it actually looks like some time and energy was put into it, and it doesn't look so simple. I mean, I know that the object of this painting is kind of maybe not impressive, but honestly, you know what I'm looking at here? Clouds. I love imagery of clouds.
They're beautiful, but to me it looks like oil platform.
Oh yeah,
which is like in symbiotic with nature. I don't know.
Now I like it even more because it feels like it's supposed to have some like climate change type of message.
I really like this one.
This is an interesting one.
Yes. Oh my god, let's copy again.
Yay. This guy is genius, like earning so much money from this.
This one looks like us. Crossroads. Like it. It looks like GTA, but
I love that birds.
oh my god, no!
Bird
That's person. That's not stone behind.
Oh,
my God.
now it's sad. But I love that bird in the background is telling everybody you're clowns.
Yes, and it sits on a fat person. I can say fat. And it sits on, I don't know, sleeping or that person.
This one is kind of sad. I don't know.
I don't know.
I kind of feel really sad energy coming from this one. And I still don't get it.
No, I don't get it. People again, human one.
I kind of love this one.
$29.8 million. We are like on bigger and bigger numbers.
I just feel like there is some knowledge in this universe that nobody shared with me when I look at this.
Yeah, okay, I like it.
So this one is one of the most interesting to me, especially the left one, the blue one.
Yeah. Okay, we agree. And the most expensive one for $69 million. People again. Every day is the first 5,000 days. So I assume these are the pictures of 5,000 days.
I mean,
okay, I like it. It's like mosaic.
yes, it's like collage, but I would appreciate it even more if it had some object that is kind of appear. You know, when people are putting so many photos and then you see a face or an animal or like a building or place. This is just a bunch of photos.
Bunch of money.
Bunch of money, yes. I mean, we are here like saying that we don't get it, and it doesn't matter that we don't get it because people who get it, they get it.
And they have money to buy it. Okay, so I think that we can sum up that we would like to get it.
If anybody can explain us in the comments, we would really appreciate it.
Or send us a link to somewhere where we can read about it.
You know what? I am really happy with my UFO and FOREO investment and my skincare investment. That's my favorite type of investment.
I mean, all FOREO devices are good investment because they are they last so long. They are waterproof. They are made of silicone, which doesn't build up bacteria. So you can use it for years and years. You charge it once and use it for 90 times or even more. So I think that if you want to invest in skincare, FOREO is...
I think I'm ready to remove my mask.
Okay. Where do we put it?
I'm just going to put it on the table for now.
Okay, do we look pretty?
Are we glowing?
I think we are.
Your skin looks really fabulous and like really hydrated. I like your look.
And it feels like that and it smells beautiful. Yes. So I feel like a little bee with a lot of honey. And if you don't want to use sheet mask, you can always use UFO mask.
The smaller one.
Yes, to put it on the FOREO UFO so you can have the same beneficial things
without all of this mess.
Yes, but this is the, I don't know how to say it,
one of the best investments I have made in my life for my skin.
Of course you'll say it.
But no, I actually like my first FOREO device. I bought it, I think it was 5 years ago, and I still have it.
Which one?
It was Luna.
Okay.
And I still have it. Or 4 years ago, but I still have it and it still works as first day, still like new. And I came to FOREO because I really love the brand and
it was love at first sight. Yes. Okay guys, so thank you so much. Tell us in the comments what do you want for next topic and talk to you next Friday.
And if you want to make NFT of us wearing sheet masks, well, let us know.